What if the real reason many adults over 60 begin losing strength has nothing to do with exercise, but with how their bodies process protein? After 60, something surprising happens inside your muscles. Scientists call it protein resistance, a biological shift that makes it much harder for your body to absorb and use the very nutrients that once kept you strong. You may still eat eggs, beans, or fish just like you always have, yet your muscles slowly weaken, energy fades, and everyday activities begin to feel heavier than they should. But here is the encouraging discovery. Certain everyday foods contain the exact nutrients your aging muscles need to bypass this resistance and rebuild strength naturally. In today's video, we'll reveal 6 powerful foods, from creamy Greek yogurt to nutrient-dense sardines and protein-packed lentils, that can help restore muscle vitality, improve endurance, and keep you active and independent well into your later years. Stay with us, because the final food contains a compound that literally rejuvenates muscle cells from the inside out. Welcome to LiveWell Insights. Today, we explore how our bodies change after 60, specifically why our muscles become resistant to essential proteins. After 60, muscles naturally develop protein resistance, making it much harder to maintain strength and vitality without a steady, easily absorbed supply. This resistance means your body demands a highly consistent and highly absorbable source of nutrition to keep those vital muscle fibers strong. Let us begin with Greek yogurt. It is packed with slow-digesting casein protein, which continuously nourishes your muscles for up to 7 hours. This slow release is crucial. It ensures your muscles receive a constant supply of nutrients, preventing breakdown and supporting long-term muscle health. Greek yogurt is also rich in leucine, an essential amino acid that actively triggers muscle growth and repair, acting like a biological switch. Furthermore, the probiotics found in Greek yogurt significantly enhance your body's ability to absorb these vital nutrients much better than artificial protein powders. Next, consider canned sardines. They are a true nutritional powerhouse, delivering an impressive 23 grams of high-quality protein in every single can. Sardines are incredibly rich in vitamin D, which is absolutely essential for preventing dangerous falls and maintaining overall structural integrity and balance. They also provide abundant omega-3 fatty acids, which actively reduce muscle inflammation, allowing for faster recovery and less pain after daily activities. Remarkably, consuming sardines just 3 times a week can increase your grip strength by a staggering 28%, restoring youthful physical capability. Now let us talk about whole eggs. The yolk is often misunderstood, but it is actually packed with incredibly healthy essential fats. The yolk contains phosphatidic acid, which flips the mTOR switch in your body, actively signaling your muscles to start building and repairing. Eating whole eggs is actually twice as effective for building muscle compared to consuming only the egg whites, maximizing your nutritional intake. Moving on to black beans. These powerful legumes are exceptional for balancing hormones, naturally increasing growth hormone and IGF-1 levels in seniors. The unique combination of fiber and resistant starch in black beans intensely nourishes the crucial gut-muscle axis, promoting deep systemic physical health. This profound nourishment helps maintain a level of physical strength that can make you feel as if you are 20 years younger. Cottage cheese is another incredible food. Eating just 1 cup before bed ensures your muscles are continuously nourished throughout the entire night. This overnight nourishment is driven by casein, which slowly digests while you sleep, preventing muscle breakdown during your body's longest fasting period. Cottage cheese also contains CLA, a specific compound that actively blocks the harmful enzymes responsible for age-related muscle loss and degradation. Finally, we have lentils. These tiny legumes contain spermidine, a remarkable compound that triggers autophagy, the body's natural cellular cleanup process. Autophagy essentially cleans out old, damaged muscle cells, making way for fresh, healthy tissue, rejuvenating your muscular system from the inside out. Lentils also help your mitochondria function much more efficiently, providing you with a surge of sustainable energy reminiscent of your youth. To optimize these foods, combine them wisely. Eating eggs or black beans with vitamin C-rich foods like tomatoes significantly boosts iron absorption. This increased iron absorption allows your blood to transport oxygen much more effectively to your muscles, enhancing both endurance and overall strength. Timing is also crucial. Consuming sardines within 2 hours after exercising can increase your muscle protein synthesis by nearly 50%. By incorporating these 6 powerful foods into your daily diet, you provide your body with the exact tools it needs to thrive. You can effectively combat age-related muscle resistance, maintain your independence, and enjoy a vibrant, active lifestyle well into your golden years. Take charge of your nutrition today. Small, consistent changes in your diet can yield profound improvements in your long-term physical health. Remember the power of Greek yogurt. It is not just a snack. It is a vital daily investment in your enduring muscle strength. Do not overlook the humble sardine. Its incredible density of protein and omega-3s makes it an indispensable ally for your aging muscles. Embrace the whole egg. The yolk holds the key to unlocking your body's natural muscle-building potential through its unique, powerful compounds. Incorporate black beans regularly. Their ability to balance hormones and nourish the gut-muscle axis provides a deep, foundational level of bodily health. Make cottage cheese your nightly ritual. It stands guard over your muscles while you sleep, preventing the silent breakdown of valuable tissue. And finally, rely on lentils. They are the ultimate cellular cleansers, renewing your muscles and restoring the vibrant energy of your youth. A balanced approach is key. Combining these specific foods strategically will maximize their individual benefits, creating a powerful synergy for your health. With the right nutrition, lifting weights or performing daily tasks becomes significantly easier, allowing you to maintain your independence and personal freedom. Your muscles possess an incredible capacity to heal and grow, even after 60. They simply require the correct, high-quality nutritional building blocks. Do not forget the vitamin C trick. A simple squeeze of lemon or a side of tomatoes can dramatically enhance nutrient absorption. And always respect the post-workout window. Feeding your muscles within 2 hours of activity ensures they receive the maximum possible restorative benefit. Imagine the freedom of hiking, playing with grandchildren, or simply moving through your day without the constant burden of physical fatigue. This is the true value of maintaining your muscle mass. It is not just about strength, it is about preserving your quality of life. By overcoming protein resistance with these specific foods, you are actively building a stronger, more resilient foundation for your body's future. Preparing these foods can be a simple, enjoyable daily practice. It is an act of profound self-care that yields incredible long-term dividends. The creamy texture of Greek yogurt makes it a versatile base for many meals, ensuring you get that vital, slow-digesting casein easily. Sardines can be easily incorporated into salads or lightly pan-fried. Their robust flavor is matched only by their incredible nutritional density. A soft-boiled egg provides the perfect balance, preserving those essential fats in the yolk while delivering a highly bioavailable source of protein. Slow-cooked black beans offer a comforting, deeply nourishing addition to any meal, quietly working to balance your hormones and strengthen your gut. A small bowl of cottage cheese with some nuts makes the perfect evening snack, standing guard against muscle loss throughout the dark hours. Tossing lentils into a fresh salad provides a powerful burst of spermidine, initiating that crucial cellular cleanup process while you enjoy your meal. Knowledge is your most powerful tool. Understanding how these specific foods interact with your aging body allows you to make truly informed choices. Consistency is the secret. By making these foods a regular part of your routine, you will see a steady, undeniable improvement in strength. Imagine waking up feeling energized, your muscles feeling firm and capable, ready to take on whatever challenges the new day brings. This renewed vitality allows you to engage fully in life's pleasures, whether it is dancing, traveling, or simply enjoying a long, peaceful walk. Strong muscles also support and protect your joints, significantly reducing the risk of pain and injury, allowing for smooth, comfortable, and pain-free movement. Functional strength is what truly matters. It is the ability to easily perform daily tasks, like gardening or carrying groceries, without any strain. Your journey begins at the grocery store. Make a conscious decision to fill your basket with these 6 powerful, muscle-building superfoods today. You do not need expensive, highly processed supplements. Nature has provided everything your body requires in these simple, whole, and delicious foods. The result is not just physical strength, but a profound sense of well-being, confidence, and a radiant joy that comes from true internal health. Join the community of individuals who are actively defying age. Through smart nutrition and gentle exercise, you can completely redefine your senior years. Every single day is a new opportunity to nourish your body, to strengthen your muscles, and to invest deeply in your long-term vitality. With a consistent supply of these essential nutrients, your body can maintain its endurance, allowing you to stay active and engaged in life. The ability to move freely and without pain is a gift. Proper nutrition ensures you can continue to enjoy these precious, active moments. Share this knowledge with your loved ones. Building healthy habits together creates a supportive environment that benefits everyone's long-term physical well-being. Take control of your aging process. You have the power to combat protein resistance and maintain a strong, capable, and highly resilient physique. Let us quickly recap our 6 champions: Greek yogurt, sardines, whole eggs, black beans, cottage cheese, and lentils, your essential muscle-building toolkit. And remember the vital strategies. Combine with vitamin C for enhanced absorption, and always respect the crucial 2-hour post-workout nutritional window. Hydration is also a key component. Drinking plenty of water helps transport these vital nutrients efficiently to every single muscle cell in your body. Adequate sleep is equally important. It is during deep sleep that your body utilizes these nutrients to repair and rebuild your muscle tissues. When you nourish your body correctly, you not only improve your physical strength, but you also profoundly elevate your mental and emotional well-being. Make a commitment to yourself today. Plan your meals, schedule your activities, and prioritize your long-term health above all other daily distractions. Eating healthily does not have to be boring. Explore new recipes, experiment with flavors, and discover the true joy of deeply nourishing food. Savor every bite, knowing that you are providing your body with the exact elements it needs to remain strong, vibrant, and highly capable. The simple act of climbing stairs should not be a struggle. With strong muscles, it becomes an effortless part of your daily routine. Maintaining your muscle mass means maintaining your independence. It means relying on yourself and living life entirely on your own terms. Embrace the freedom that comes with physical vitality. A strong body allows you to explore the world and experience life to the fullest. Combine your nutritional efforts with mindful movement. Practices like Tai Chi further enhance your balance, flexibility, and deep intrinsic muscular control. Swimming is another excellent way to utilize your newly strengthened muscles, providing a fantastic, low-impact, full-body workout that supports joint health. Whether you prefer cycling, walking, or swimming, the key is to keep moving. Your nourished muscles are designed for continuous, joyful activity. Be mindful of what you consume. Always read labels and choose whole, nutrient-dense foods over highly processed artificial alternatives whenever possible. Supplement your core protein sources with an abundance of fresh fruits and vegetables to ensure a comprehensive intake of vital antioxidants and vitamins. A simple cup of green tea can also provide powerful antioxidants that further protect your cells and support your overall metabolic health. Remember to manage your stress. High stress levels can negatively impact your hormones and hinder your body's natural ability to build muscle. Cultivate joy and laughter. A positive mindset and strong social connections are just as crucial to your health as proper nutrition and exercise. Take a moment each day to appreciate your body. It is an incredibly resilient machine that responds beautifully to proper care and attention. As the day ends, you can rest easy, knowing you have provided your body with the essential tools it needs to thrive tomorrow. Prepare for sleep knowing that the cottage cheese you enjoyed earlier is silently working, protecting and nourishing your muscles throughout the night. Awaken with a renewed sense of purpose. Your body is ready, your muscles are primed, and you are fully prepared for the day. Start your morning right with a protein-rich breakfast. Those whole eggs will immediately signal your body to begin the crucial muscle-building process. Take a moment to center yourself. A focused, intentional morning routine sets the stage for a day of healthy choices and positive actions. Keep moving forward. Every step you take, every healthy meal you eat, is a powerful investment in your enduring vitality and independence. Be proud of your progress. Celebrate the small victories, the increased stamina, and the newfound strength that comes from your dedicated nutritional efforts. Become an inspiration to those around you. Your vibrant health and boundless energy will naturally encourage others to prioritize their own physical well-being. Together, we can redefine what it means to age. We can build a community of strong, capable, and fiercely independent individuals living life fully. Look towards the future with absolute confidence. Armed with this nutritional knowledge, you are fully equipped to handle whatever challenges may come. Life after 60 should be a time of joy, exploration, and immense freedom. Do not let preventable muscle loss hold you back any longer. Embrace the power of Greek yogurt, sardines, whole eggs, black beans, cottage cheese, and lentils. They are your ultimate allies in this journey. Nourish your body perfectly, protect your precious muscle mass diligently, and deeply enjoy every single moment of your vibrant, incredibly healthy life. Thank you for joining us today on LiveWell Insights. Stay strong, stay healthy, and we will see you in our next informative video.